your family. You really sold it, the way you wrote it. You could not have loved me more perfectly. I love who you are and what you love. I want who you are and what you want. I love what you are and who you love. And I found the one, and so I thought, girl, you got a hold on me. You had me from the start.